on, guys, and welcome back to another video. This is Toddy Gaming. Today I decided I'm gonna teach you guys a little bit about Scratch. Scratch is for junior coding thing, so it's not coding, but it's kind of like it gives you already the code, and you just have to place the blocks. So today I'm gonna show you how to make a little animation or a story for Scratch. So, when you click into Scratch, you'll always have this page, and there's looks, motion, looks, sounds, events, controls, sensing, operators, variable, and my blocks. My blocks, we're gonna learn these variables, these two later on as we go. But we're just going to start with the basic of motion and looks. So, here we have the sprite 1. So, if you go to the bottom right corner, you can see a little cat and a little backdrop. If you choose the cat, there's a lot of things in here you can choose for sprite. Well, I am just going to see... I'm going to just randomly choose one. Let's see. Let's see what we're going to do. Let's do... What if we do a fish? Like, fish. Okay, we're going to do a shark. And... No, actually, no. I don't think while making those things. Let's make a bear. Okay, so let's do the bear for the intro. So I'm gonna have a bear right here, and every time you get a sprite, it will always be right here in this little box. And you can delete them or duplicate them like that, and then you can duplicate them. So let's get a bear, and let's choose a backdrop. Let's see. Let's get a blue sky. Yeah. Okay. So the bear you're just gonna place right here. And we're also later on in the video, we're also gonna learn about XY. So it's like, it changes XY. Okay. So the bear is gonna be right here. Now there's two things. You can go to the backdrop or the bear. I'm gonna have to make sure you're in the bear. And over here it says code, costume, and sound. Sounds is like this. You can make a sound in this animation. And also costume, he can also stand up. So you can also make an animation like that as well. Okay. Every time we start, we need to go to the events. This is when the green flag is clicked. This is the very important thing, because if we don't have this, nothing is going to move. Because look at this. When the green flag is clicked, this means action. This means to stop. If we don't have this, they don't know if we're starting or not. So we always need this block. And then the bear, go to the looks. The looks will say all like the costume, backdrop, show or not show. Or you can even say. So let's just do, I'm going to go to the sound. We're going to say hello. So now if we press this, it's going to always say hello. Say hello for 2 seconds. You can even change it for, let's do 5 seconds. 5 seconds is really long. So hello. Yeah, it will be really, really long. Okay, so let's just do 2 seconds. And then we're going to go say, not hello, but we're going to have to type. We're going to be saying like, my name is, I don't know. I thought it was funny, but no. Like, you can just say, hello, welcome to the animation. Okay. But sometimes this is really long, so if we do to 2 seconds, it might not be that good, you know. So 2 seconds is not that good. So maybe we can do 3 seconds, and we also have to test this because sometimes we can make a very big mistake. Like, for example, in the control. But we're not going to go look in the control right now yet. But we're going to have to use it right now. Like, control, all you got to do is just take the weight sign, put it right there. You don't have to do anything. We're not learning this right now, so we're just only putting this right next to the purple block. So now, every time it says hello for 2 seconds and then say welcome to the animation for 3 seconds, it will wait 1 second, and then we can choose another backdrop. So we could be like, let's do we have the moon thing? That's kind of cool if we do have the moon. Yeah, we do. Yeah, so let's sneak a moon. So, as you can see now, if we go to the backdrop, it'll have 2. It will have actually 3. It will have 2 things, but the 3 one you don't have to worry about. You can delete that. It was just a white line. But now you have 2, you see? So, it will come directly to this. Well, how we're going to do that is we are going to go back to the bear and wait 1 second, and it's going to switch next backdrop. So, let's see, if we're going at the backdrop, and then we do this. So it says, hello. Welcome to the animation. Wait 1 second, and then as you can see, it changed next backdrop. Yeah, that's very cool. Now, also, and then we got this. And then we can actually also go into the control and place another one. And then it's going to go next costume. So if we're going to reset all this again. Let's reset all this again. Okay. So it's going to start. Hello. Welcome to the animation. Wait 1 second. And then stand up. So now he is standing up, and then he's gonna say, he's gonna think. Actually, there's a difference between say and think. Say is just talking. Think is actually making a little bubble. It's making a little, I don't know what's it called, but it's like comics, you know, and then it will be like that. So he's gonna think. He's gonna think and think for 2 seconds, and then he's gonna say, why am I spell I'm wrong. What the heck is going on? Why I am at the moon, you know, I'm gonna do that. So it's just gonna be like this. So he's gonna think, why am I at the moon? And then suddenly there's gonna be a fish appear, the shark, I think. I don't know why. Oh, okay. So there's gonna be a shark, and when you see this, the shark is facing the wrong way. So I'm gonna have to click on the shark, go to the costume, and then there's a thing says flip horizontal, and then you just do that, and then he's now facing right there. Okay, so now he's like, yeah, okay. I'm gonna delete these things. We only need this one. For the bear, he's gonna, so the shark is always gonna be, he's always gonna be hidden. He's always gonna be hiding. Well, this is my way for beginners, but we're gonna go on advanced. But just for easy, we're just gonna look at 2, 3. Okay, that's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, so that's 11 seconds. He's gonna hide, and then he's gonna wait for 11 seconds. This is definitely not the proper way. I don't think it is, but it's just for beginners. Let's try to do that. So he's gonna wait 11 seconds, and then he's gonna show, and then he's gonna be like, say hello. Okay. So let's reset everything back, and yeah, let's. Okay. Okay, now we look at this. Hello. Welcome to the animation. Why am I at the moon? Oh, I spelled at the wrong. And then he's gonna appear. Yeah. So that is, I spelled the at wrong. Okay. Why am I at? What? Wait, what? Why is there already 2? Okay, why am I at the moon? Okay, great. So now he's gonna say, like, it's gonna be like that. Yeah. So I guess he's gonna say hello, and then he's gonna appear, and then yeah. So guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye.